Hello everyone, I've got a box opening for Your Creative Studio, my subscription box, and I believe this is my August box, so my long-awaited box has finally arrived. Let's go on inside. Look at the thank you card. Beautiful, and it says fall on the outside, so I'm looking forward to this. Every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. Emily Bronte. Nice quote. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the whole thing out. That way I don't have to mess with the box. And, okay, I tore that a little bit, but that's okay. Ooh, what do we have here? It looks like a fan. Is it a fan, or is it... Words are escaping me. So, it's not a fan. But you can fan it out. Look at that beautiful rose. I love that print. Is this paper? I think this is paper. This is interesting. This is different than anything I've received before. So they're like little strips of paper. I wonder if I have a ruler. Yes, I do. Whoa, you would not even imagine the mess on my desk right now, but I'm zoomed in far enough so that you can't really see it. Let's see. This is about just under 6 inches by 3/4 of an inch wide strips of paper. And yeah, it's lightweight paper, and there's some text on it. It's pretty interesting. This will be fun to use. And then a very nice strip of leather holding it all together. And the top piece is a little bit more of a cardstock, but the rest is very much paper. That is neat and different, unique, something I've never seen before. I'm just going to actually slip it, well, that's sort of in frame there. And of course we have washi. I always keep the packages and use them in journaling, making things in journals. Okay. This is a lovely, almost an orange hue. Not sure if the camera's focusing on that. If I put it right down here, you might be able to tell. It's kind of a subtle foliage type pattern in the background and some variation in what I would call kind of a rust color. Yeah. Okay, this looks semi-familiar. We've had similar items to this in the past. So it's like a collection of paper, and then it's tied with this nice leather that it's kind of like a leather cording that you can reuse. And these are going to be different papers, probably, to what we've had before, but just good for collage. Oh, that's interesting. And, you know, just putting into the backgrounds of journal pages or ephemera for journals. Fun to use. That one looks like newspaper. A variety of cuts of... You know, these are about 5 inches by 3 1/4 roughly. Then we have a cling stamp and a cling stamp. Looks like I just have 2 here. Hopefully that's all that there were supposed to be. 2 packages, 2 pouches. And there are 3 small stamps in this package. Oh, and one in this, and this looks like a wreath with some floral right there, and I'll go ahead and stamp that out and pop it in right after I show you these 3. There's a pine cone, a maple leaf, and a little vignette of a pumpkin and a candle holder on, I'm not sure, like some kind of rustic looking tape. Okay, so we have the 4 stamped out. Here is the wreath with the lovely floral detail. Get a little closer for the pumpkin and candle vignette. And then we have a very nice detailed pine cone and fall maple leaf. Okay, setting those aside, we have, oh, this looks very similar, maybe even identical to one I've had in the past, but these Cottage Garden scraps of floral papers. Haven't quite used them all up, but there's certain ones that I do love. We have some squares. There might be different ones, and it might just be very similar to the style. Kind of a shabby chic cottage floral. Love this one. And I'm not sure, maybe I had the same one, but this one seems really familiar too. But I'm going to have to go back and look and see if it is the same, if I have. Yeah, because like this one, oops, oh, come on. I can't get to it. I'm sure I have had this exact paper. That's kind of unfortunate though. I mean, I do like these ones, so I'll use them. And they're really useful for collage and again in backgrounds and journals and such. Ooh, this is different. Look at this. Sticker fun. I love stickers. So, and oh, here you can see on the back, it looks like you can see all of the different designs. Those look more spring to me than fall, but I don't mind. I like them. And I think they're vellum stickers. There's an interesting looking beetle here on top. Okay, so that's a little bit of a challenge to get it out. Look at his eyeballs, but you can see here that it has the acetate backer, and then we have kind of a washi vellum sticker that is translucent. But it's almost opaque. It's not quite opaque, but not super translucent there. And yep, I'm just gonna kind of fan them out because you saw it on the package. Ooh, I like the ladybug. Nice vivid color. And of course I like the butterflies. Still working on my specimen cards, but these might make a nice addition on some of those, and that is upcoming. A video with the specimen cards. These are always, I always like the postage stamp stickers that come. And they're always different. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. This I would use right by itself as a journal card, and a lot of times I would like take a scrap of maybe coffee dyed paper and just back it on here so it'd make it a little easier to write. Or if you wanted to just do a couple embellishments here to cover up the text, then it looks like it has this postage stamp mark there, and it's really cute. This one's a little bit glossy, but that's okay. We can work with that. And certain glues will work better with glossy. I like that rose. Ooh, I love these strawberries. Sometimes I love it so much I find it difficult to use it, but oh, look, more strawberries. This is a nice berry. This would be good even on a winter card or journal spread. Lovely dandelion. These got a little damage. Ooh, more berries. Are those? I don't know what kind of berries, but they're pretty. Flowers. So I like the different images that came in this. Lots of floral. I think that's pretty versatile. I'm just going to pull these out of frame here so I don't lose them. What is this? Mushroom jungle. Sorry. I know a lot of people love mushrooms. I am not one of those people. But actually, funnily enough, my daughter is one of those people. So this little packet might just happen to go to her. Mushroom jungle. I can't read what that says. That's tied together with some twine, but cute little tag there. And then this probably shows what's inside this lovely cardboard envelope that could easily be reused. Maybe you could even make a journal out of that. Feels like paper. Let's see here. But, you know, sometimes it surprises me. And it's not all mushroom. Yay for the non-mushroom loving me. This is paper. I'm going to go with paper, yeah. This is beautiful. I like I would love just sticking this in my journal and just, you know, with some vintage washi looking. So here's some mushroom. Almost looks burnt there. That's kind of cool, actually. But yeah, they're all paper so far. These, at least most of them seem to have 3. This is pretty cool too. I don't know why. I'm not a pyromaniac, really. But I kind of like that little burnt edge there. It is a matter of the will, a quality of the imagination, vigor of the emotions. That's what it says right there. Easter! Okay, and this seal says Happy Easter. that's interesting. Doesn't quite go with the fall theme. So this is a mixed bag here, or box, as the case may be. Mushrooms going over there. So yeah, it looks like there's 3 of each of these paper. Look at that lovely assortment of mushrooms. Mushrooms border. That could be a nice tag for a journal, like a woodland journal. It's really lightweight, but if you back it to some card or packaging, there you go, little tag. Flower, no, none. I think that should say noun, don't you? The colored part of a something from which the plants develops the flower is made up of many petals. Yeah, you don't want to look too closely at some of the text there. Flower, none. We have none of these flowers. There's some more wild mushroom. I don't know if you've noticed, I'm separating the mushrooms from the non-mushrooms section. Guilty as charged. This one is almost half and half. Which one should I put it in? I'm going to put it on this side, and then I'm going to cut it half later. Oh, I love this paper. And that's it for the fabulous mushroom packet of papers. It's an interesting assortment of paper ephemera. Really different than, you know, things that I've received in the past. And I've been getting this box for a little while now. Love this tissue paper that they're sent. I love these. That kind of says fall to me, the coloring there. And yet, you can use it for other things because it's not just leaves, you know, it's floral. So I'm trying to pull one out here. Yes, this is just the 6x6 sheet of tissue. There's usually 5 in there. And yeah, really useful. I do see some fall leaves in there, but I think it could be used for fall and other. Okay, and then we have the custom stickers. These are clear, so they'll show whatever background you have. There's a nice, I don't know, is that a maple leaf? It's a leaf, but I don't know if it's quite a maple leaf there. Let's see, I'm gonna go to this lovely package. Wow, these are some, let's stop that. What does it say? What? Rub-on transfer sticker. Now that's a new one, okay. Oh, look at that cute little spatula. Lovely. Okay, I've used rub-ons before, but if you haven't, you would cut out the thing that you want to transfer, say this seal, cut around it, and, you know, take the backer off, and then you put it on what you want to rub it on, and you use this rubbing stick to rub it on there. Hence the name rub-on. And they have all the directions here, so I'm not going to get it out. Well, maybe I should look in there and see if they're all the same. Ah, it's a good thing I did, because they're all different. Ooh, look at this one. It's got a frame. Those are cool. Very lovely, and I believe they've designed them themselves, you know, because they're in that theme. I like that they include the nice little spatula for you. So here is the final item in this month's box. Slipping that out, and it says paper ephemera, a nice long size. Let's see what we have here. I wonder if this is going to be the mixture that we've got the last few times. So it looks like it's about 8 1/4. So they're nice and long, longer than usual, and by a little over 4 1/2. No, it's pretty close to 4 3/4. So let's see. We have that one. Okay. Different designs. These are just paper here. Ooh, that's beautiful. Should I go this way so you can see the whole thing? And then, yes, it looks like the designs repeat in vellum. And then I am wondering, because of the faint odor, if we'll have a sticker sheet in here. This is a thicker paper. I don't know, can you see this? Let's see if there, maybe, can you see the texture on there? There's some texture to it. a light bit of texture. It's kind of interesting, and it feels interesting in the hand. Almost leathery, but paper. Okay, and do we have anything else in this? Yes. Could this be a sticker sheet? Aha, my nose does not deceive me. We do have a sticker sheet of, wow, that's a nice big, same size, you know, what did I say, 8 something by 4 3/4. And they all, I love that they give the 3, or is it 4 different? Yeah, 4 different kinds of paper in all the different designs. So yeah, you get 4 of each of the designs, and you have different material paper to use, so that makes it pretty versatile, and it makes, you know, if there's one you absolutely love, well, you got 4 of them, so it's a little easier to use it. So lots of goodies in the box this month. Thanks for having a look with me, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!